Welcome back. Today, giveaway of repair kit. Yes, giveaway. No matter if you fixing or planning to fix lenses, cameras, action cameras or phones, you're gonna need a tools. So if you want this cool and handy toolkit, make sure you subscribe and you have a bell notification turned on. Like this video and leave any comment. Also, I appreciate if you show some love to my Facebook page. Tools are always handy, so be part of this giveaway and step up your repair game with this amazing toolkit. Winner will be announced in 2 weeks time, so stick around and you will be notified when video will come out. Thanks in advance for all you guys who will join the giveaway. And one more time, subscribe, hit that bell, like this video and leave a comment. Good luck to you. In meantime, go and check out TAKEAPART Facebook page. Thanks for the watching and see you in the next one.